Good morning and welcome to the Artist Morning. My name's Darius and I am so honored, so excited to be meditating with you this morning. Wherever you are in the world, whatever's going on, it's such a special treat for me to know we will be traveling, we will be journeying, we will be meditating together. Let's begin our meditation today by finding a nice, comfortable seat and just giving yourself a moment to land. Take a couple deep breaths here in this seat this morning. And if your eyes are still open, I invite you to close them now as we begin to go inwards together. And just noticing any sensations, any physical sensations within your body now. Take a moment to scan from the top of your head and work your way all the way down to your toes, bringing your attention closer to your body. Today's meditation, we're going to share gratitude. We're going to stay connected, and we're going to get closer to our bodies. As you sit here this morning, I want you just to take a moment to visualize yourself. Just maybe zoom out and up and see yourself sitting here in this seat. Noticing the space around you. You are in a room somewhere, or maybe you are sitting outside somewhere. And just notice the space you take up in this room, in this area you are in this morning. Giving yourself permission to feel however you feel. I want you to take that in a little deeper, that idea that it's okay for you to feel, to be exactly as you are. Is it possible that this is exactly where you are supposed to be? I invite you to feel the sensation of that idea in your body. You exactly where you were supposed to be. No matter what's going on in your life, there is something here for you. An experience, a lesson, an opportunity to grow, to explore. Taking a nice deep breath now. Holding at the top of your breath for a moment. And then just letting it all go. Repeating those deep breaths a few times on your own. Taking a moment to feel what's alive inside your body. To be present with yourself, with your human. All the places the two of you have been, you and your human. All the places on this earth that you have traveled together. What a gift. All the faces, all the people you have met together. The memories, the laughs, the tears, the moments of excitement, of joy. It's always been you two. It's always been you and your human. If you take a moment to think about it, nobody has been there for you more. Nobody has been by your side more. Nobody has supported you. Nobody has been a better ally to you than your body. That does not mean your body is perfect. That does not mean your body is perfect. What that means is your greatest ally, the only being that's guaranteed to be here from the beginning to the end of your human experience, is your human, your body. I'll stay quiet and give you a little space to reflect on your relationship, your connection with your body since you were a little baby till now. Just float, just let thoughts, memories come in and out, and see if you can access joy and gratitude in that film that's about to play in your mind. The film starring you and your beloved human. Can you see yourself as a child? Are you able to access any earlier memories of you playing, of you experiencing joy? If you can't, that's okay too. Give yourself permission with this meditation to feel and think and experience whatever you'd like to. The guidance is always just a suggestion. Wherever you go, wherever you travel, my belief is there is something for you there. Do your best to keep breathing, keep opening your heart and giving yourself permission to be you. As our meditation comes to an end, I invite you to have a few final words, a few final exchanges with you and your human. Of course, this is not the last time you two will connect, but for this meditation it is. If there's anything you want to share or say, now is your time. Bravo, dear artist. Bravo, dear creator. Wherever you went, whatever you felt or did not feel, I honor and respect you for carving out some time for yourself, for your heart, for your human. Thank you for meditating with me this morning. As always, for those of you joining us live, I will put 15 minutes on the clock and invite you to do some private, personal journaling, just allowing anything that is here and true and accessible to flow through your pen onto your paper. And for those of you joining us on a replay, of course, you can do the same. Put 15 minutes on your clock and just see what happens. My name's Darius. Thank you once again for meditating with me, and we will see you next time.